Hi guys, look the sky. Today is raining and cold. It's perfect day to make a delicious and warm hot chocolate. I got ready my ingredients. So today I'm gonna use the half stick of cinnamon. I'm gonna use this chocolate abuelita, chocolate abuelita. I buy at Walmart, but you can find it almost any store. So this chocolate is the most traditional on Mexico. This box has 6 tablets, so I'm gonna use 4 cups of water, 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, milk, and probably I'm gonna use the less of cup of sugar because that chocolate has a lot of sugar. So sometimes I add a little bit more, sometimes no, but it depends you. So add sugar as you like it, or no add sugar. So let's do it. First step, guys, I got my pot here. I'm going to add the 4 cups of water, and I'm going to add the stick of cinnamon and the 4 tablets of the chocolate. So the tablets of the chocolate come like this in single package. So I'm gonna add 4. 1. So I got ready my 4 tablets of chocolate, and I'm gonna leave to boil for 5 minutes. The chocolate need to dissolve into the water, so I'm gonna leave like that for 5 minutes. And I forgot to tell you something. I like with a strong flavor of the chocolate, but if you don't like too much, you can add only 2 or 3. But this is how I like it. Aaron loves this champurrado. So I'm gonna let for 5 minutes and I'll be back. So now, guys, I got here 1 cup of milk, and I'm going to add the 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. So now, guys, I'm going to mix it really well for 2 minutes. Just like this for 2 minutes. The cornstarch is sticky, so it's very sticky. So I'm gonna mix it really well for 2 minutes. So I finished, guys, to mix it all together. So 5 minutes passed, guys, and look how looks. The chocolate is almost dissolved. In my home, it smells super delicious. In this point, I'm going to add the milk, and you can use 2% or 1% milk. So today I use the whole milk, and just like this. So, and I'm gonna mix it really well, and I'm gonna leave to boil. When the milk starts boil, I'm going to add the cornstarch. Oh my goodness, it's super easy and super delicious, guys. So I'm gonna leave like that without the lid. I don't put the lid. I'm gonna leave like that. When the milk starts boil, I'm gonna add the cornstarch. So my milk is almost boiled, and this time I need to mix frequently to prevent the milk not stick. So just make sure mix very well in between in the time the milk start boiling. So now, guys, I still waiting to my milk start boiling, and at this point I'm going to check of the sugar. I'm gonna take a little bit, and I'm gonna check of the sugar, and I like to do this to fast cool. yes, they missing a little bit. I got my sugar here, and I'm gonna add just the quarter of the cup, just like this, and I'm gonna mix it really well, and still moving to prevent the milk don't stick. So now guys, my milk start boil. So I'm going to, in this point, I'm going to add the cornstarch, and I'm gonna mix it very well first. So in this point, guys, you need to be careful with this step. So you need to add slow the cornstarch with the other hands. You need to mix it to prevent don't make the balls the cornstarch. So I'm gonna wait in a little bit more, and I'm gonna add slow and mix in the same time. So let's do it. Just like this. It smells super good. The chocolate with the cinnamon, oh my goodness. So I'm gonna show you the texture, how it changed. So now I don't have hot chocolate, now I have a champurrado. So look guys, they are super good and delicious. So Aaron is here. If you hear the tiny voices, it's Aaron and Allison. Look guys, so I'm gonna continue mix it for 3 to 5 minutes to boil again together, but don't stop mix it. Okay guys, the reason that you not stop mixing is because now with the cornstarch in the milk, it's very easy to burn the champurrado. So and the same with the milk comes out. If you stop mixing and leave like that for a few minutes, you can believe it how the milk is fast to come out and make a mess. So don't stop the mixing for 3 to 5 minutes. So let me see, is they need the boil again. So let's check, it's almost boiling. If you can see the bubbles, so for 3 minutes, or when your milk start boil again. So now guys, if you see how the champurrado, the milk start coming out really fast, so that means the champurrado is ready. So I'm gonna turn off the stove, and I'm gonna mix it, and I'm gonna do this. And that's it guys, you have a delicious champurrado. Oh my goodness. So I have a special tester for today. I'm gonna serve it, and I'm gonna take some pictures, and let me show you the final result. So this is the final result. Look how delicious looks. It smells super delicious. Oh my goodness, if you can see how the chocolate looks, is not too much thicker, but if you want more thicker, you can add maybe 2 tablespoons more of cornstarch. My family loves like that. So now it's ready to serve it and enjoy. Here Aaron, he is my special tester for today. He's gonna try for y'all. He's very excited, so try it, papi. Try it a little bit more. So give me thumbs up if you like it. You like it? Wow. So, a ver, give me thumbs up. So thank you guys for watching this delicious recipe. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy with your family, and God bless you all. So diles bye. Diles bye.
Bye.
Hales ojitos. Hales ojitos. Diles bye.
Bye.
So I got my champurrado here. Look guys, I love rainy days. Oh my goodness, try it guys, it's super delicious.